What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna play this car game, like it's a driving class game, and show you how to get all the cars present in it, except for the ones you have to see the video in it and do. So yeah, let's do it. So I'll first tell you which all cars you get free, like when you start the game only, and then I'll tell you how to get the other cars. So the car you're seeing on the screen is the car that you get after seeing a video. So the door opens backwards. Just check. See, it's so cool. Like yeah. So and all. I'll show you first the ones you get free. This one you get free, Kia one. Then this one you have to. I'll show you how to get this. This one you have to see the video. No, this is you can receive this car once you pass the road driving test. So yeah, you have to see the black one of these. I like black colors. Comment down below which color do you like. So this all you have to get it. Yeah, so this is when you check something, like yeah. So this one also you have to get. This one also. This one you get it when you start this game. This one also. This is a truck, so you will have gear. All of these, yeah. This also. This also. This also. This also. This also. This one also you get it. This also you get it. This I start. Okay, so let's start the video. So I'll start going in this car so it's faster. So yeah, uh, free driving. So I'll tell you how to get one by one car. So with one car. Okay, so oh my god. Comment down below which is your best car. Oh come on, these people don't even know. Yeah. I'll just stay here for some time. Let the train come. Yeah, the train is coming. Wait, I'll just end. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Ooh. I don't know how I reached it. Okay, so I have to just top it. Yeah. Let's get down and go. Yep. I'll just make it in. Let's go. You have to go all the way there. So yeah, you can see the surprise gift over there. That's how you get one car. Just yeah, so they just get stuck and goes back to garage. So yeah, vehicle selection. I'll tell you which car you get for this. You get this car, this police car. No, yeah, this one. This one you get this police car. See, you get the police car. So I'll just continue with this only. So yeah, free driving. So now I will show you how to get a good car maybe. Yep. Let's go. I don't remember, like I just played this after a lot of time. So I'm just going to show you, because if you're the first guy to play, then yeah, it's good. Oh come on, why do these people just take away the place? Oh, fudge. It's okay. This can have boosters when you put this. See the boosters? Are, oh my god. Oh, come on. Sorry for your inconvenience, but I'll put the next car in the next video. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and like this video. Put 2 thumbs up. Okay, thank you.